Here we have our apartment binder. This is an A5 size binder that's intended to help you save to move into your first apartment, a new apartment, whichever one of those circumstances may fit you. It has these cute dashboard covers here. On the back of them, there's a tracker here, so you can create a list of things you need to buy for your new apartment, your budget for it, and then you cross it off once it's saved. At the back, we have another one of those because we obviously know a lot of stuff is required when you're moving into a new space. And then here we have some pre-labeled envelopes for all of the things that I personally could think of that you would need for an apartment. So we have one for your deposit, kitchen stuff, cleaning supplies, toiletries, obviously a miscellaneous, renter's insurance, your furniture, 3 to 6 months bills, 3 to 6 months rent, apartment amenities if you are a high-rise girly, and also moving fees, which can cover everything from movers to, renting a car, whatever you need to do. If your question is, how do I save for these things? You can choose to create a zero-based budget or whatever kind of budget you prefer to save for these, like sinking funds, or you can use any additional money that you have after your budget to apply towards these funds. It really just depends on personal preference. So say your deposit is $1,000 and say you want to move in a year. You do $1,000 divided by however many paychecks you have until you want to have this deposit. And the same for all of these other funds. So that is our apartment binder. It's available in the shop.